Hello, and welcome back to Cardano Coin, where we bring you the most recent and intriguing ADA news. We're giving away 1,000 ADA to those who are watching. All you have to do is upvote, subscribe, comment Cardano is king, and watch the video to the end to be eligible. The winners will be picked next month and publicized on the community page of the channel. When Cardano enjoys tremendous and sustainable growth, it will be one indication that it has lived up to its moniker as the Ethereum killer. According to experts, Cardano's second-generation infrastructure is better than Ethereum's. Analysts are upbeat about Cardano and predict a rise in the cryptocurrency's price. Cardano appears to be on track to reach $27 soon, and nothing currently appears to be in the way of this. But will crypto emotions once more outweigh Hoskinson IQ? Let's watch the video to find out, then. As always, make sure to finish the movie to make sure you don't miss anything. With guarantees from Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, and engineers on the Cardano network, investors in the cryptocurrency are active and involved in profit-taking in the continuing cycle. Holders of ADA are confident that the coin will soon experience an explosive price increase. Because of the actions that were taken, such possibility is likely to materialize. Of course, we're referring about the hard fork on the ship. Profit-taking is at its greatest position in 4 months, according to Sentiment, a cryptocurrency analytics platform, and Cardano will launch in March 2022. The price of Cardano was hovering around the desired $1 level while profit-taking peaked at 55 cents, or almost 50%. Lower than the $1 bullish aim. Investor opinion is still largely optimistic as Cardano prices increased by 22%. The ratio of on-chain transactions that result in profit-taking at a loss has reached its peak for the first time in 4 weeks over the past 3 weeks. Charles Hoskinson has reassured the crypto community that the eagerly anticipated vessel hard fork will go off without a hitch and that no new flaws were found during the recently completed tests. Hoskinson stated that the Cardano testnet was hard forking and running version 1.35 of the Vassal upgrade during the first 2 weeks of August. 3 issues were found during internal testing, and engineering and quality assurance companies have also validated that version 1.3.5.3 does not require major revisions. Charles Hoskinson and other ADA holders were quoted as saying that there was a low probability of something going wrong once more, which fueled the bullish feeling in the Cardano community. The Cardano team will hopefully soon offer an update with more information on it, as opposed to when he said that there are only a few edge circumstances that need to be resolved. He observed that things were proceeding methodically and steadily in the proper direction. In that regard, we are sort of nearing the end of testing. So, barring any fresh information, I don't think there will be any further delays. It was planned to deliver the vessel hard fork, an upgrade that will improve Cardano's scaling capabilities, in June on a test network before making its main network debut. 7 novels were originally identified by the development team as impeding the release in June as intended. Cardano is infamous for its low profitability, but it recently unveiled the smart contract technology. Analysts like Gervin Logan have a positive perspective on Cardano and see a rise in leading cryptocurrency analyst and trader Ethereum killer altcoin. Gervin Logan also thinks that the bull market structure in the ADA is still in place. On the weekly Cardano price chart, the low timeframe resistance is $1.40 to $2 and the high timeframe support is 40 cents to $1. The situation is reversed, however, when a decrease below 17 cents invalidates the bullish thesis. Nevertheless, it is feasible that some companies, such as Grid Van Logan, would continue to believe that the price of cards will continue to grow because the extension price objectives are $6, $8, $12, and 20 cents $7. The price of ADA coins has seen 3 straight down candlesticks, which indicates that sellers are currently in control. The influential main cryptocurrency Bitcoin appears to be the source of this enormous sell-off, which is hurting several altcoins. The price has dropped 23% in the past 5 days and is currently trading at 47 cents. If the selling pressure on major cryptocurrencies stabilizes, altcoins may experience a relief rally, which might raise the price of Cardos. ADA is expected to go back to the 49-cent barrier in this scenario. ADA, though, may occasionally get more momentum and attempt to challenge the 53-cent resistance level again. Investors will be able to exit their losing holdings during this relief rally, especially if they think the market will continue to decline. In 2021, Cardano's price increased by nearly 940%, and it was placed 7th among all coins. Even though there have been many changes recently, the Cardano system has continued to grow and expand. The main cryptocurrencies will have a different story to tell between October and November 2021, despite the fact that many traders and analysts were skeptical about the future of Cardano. Despite the cryptocurrency sector losing over $400 billion in market capitalization, the number of active Cardano addresses has increased fourfold, and there are now over 20 million addresses using ADA. This is demonstrating how far Cardano will advance in the future rather than concentrating on past successes. Charles Hoskinson also disclosed his goals to broaden the adoption of cryptocurrencies and alternative currencies in Africa. He claimed that 2022 will be jam-packed with thrilling events that would tempt users to join the cryptocurrency network. Let's keep an eye on how these excellent intentions materialize before the year is over and into late 2021, as it's still early in the year. Consumers and developers scramble to build and take use of the ecosystem UTXO design, which has already seen a spike in activity. In reaction to this, ADA will provide his top prediction for a new boom in the underlying token of the Cardano networks. The ADA predicts that Cardano will experience a rise in transaction volume and active addresses. Taking everything into account, he predicted that in 2023 there would be a tremendous wave of adoption as a result of these elements increasing by a factor of 5. By the end of 2022, a resurgence in interest in the network might spur the creation of brand new initiatives. Over 250 decentralized applications, DeFi platforms, launchpads, and other features might be part of the network. Cardano is a low-cost, energy-efficient product with a small carbon footprint that has been used by businesses and projects with a worldwide impact. Thanks to incredible alliances that have connections to governments and underdeveloped countries, the ecosystem is embedded in a variety of enterprises. To ascertain how Cardano will develop in the future, these kinds of records and assertions must be reviewed. Only those who successfully overtake are hit with $27. Ethereum, as Cardano reveals its expansion plans, it might compete with the Ethereum network. Cardano aimed to change how people thought about cryptocurrencies and Silicon Valley. Its expansion plans might increase the token value and stimulate on-chain activity. Hoskinson emphasized the rapid rise of altcoins in a YouTube video, which helped to create an upbeat narrative for the price of cryptocurrencies. In his opinion, we live in a society where arbitrary groupings of people get to decide what is true and what is not. The switch from a proof of work to a proof of meat is being prepared for by the Ethereum network. For cryptocurrency investors and holders, the PAF of Ethereum 2.0 is crucial. Cardano and other Ethereum killers will carry on using Ethereum in battle by enabling more rapid and affordable transactions on their network. According to experts, Cardano has already improved. The second-generation Ethereum architecture has several improvements, is more efficient, and can support smart contracts. Due to his run of successes in the previous year, Ethereum Killer requires no introduction. The development team behind Cardano has their sights set on the far-off stars, while investors dream of the day when ADA will visit the moon. Furthermore, Cardano entered the scene with the benevolent intention of developing a smart contract platform that could scale and function more efficiently than Ethereum. Early investors in the ADA coin have certainly profited from the network's success, but the crypto market is still working to cultivate a distinct interest in ADA. Distinct from competing altcoins, this fact, in particular, hasn't stopped speculators from speculating on the price of Ethereum. Investors are solely interested in seeing Cardano become more widely adopted, not just by developers, but also by the general public. Cardano has remained one of the 10 largest cryptocurrencies in the world, but investors are extremely dissatisfied with the network's failure to adhere to predetermined deadlines and goals. In fact, Cardano switched to community governance and operation in April 2021, and smart contracts were introduced in September of the same year. Cardano experienced explosive growth in 2021, which saw the network achieve decentralization and the introduction of his smart contracts. This year, Cardano was primarily expected to expand the use of a platform for smart contracts. And this is precisely calculated based on Cardano reaching $27. Soon sounds more like a dream than a possibility right now due to the status of the market, but keep an eye out for it. So let's all keep an eye on how the coin will surprise and astonish the entire crypto industry. However, how optimistic are you about Cardano? Please leave your comments in the space provided below. We'll see you in the following video, too. Prior to that, watch other videos to learn how Cardano is fulfilling its potential as the Ethereum killer. Be sure to subscribe as usual and click the notification buttons.